fellow adventurers! We're here again for our DIY. Yes. Now, as you can see here, I have here some Barbie or doll parts that are Barbie scaled and Barbie inspired. Now, we're going to have our build a doll. Yes. Now, when we say build a doll, we're going to build a doll. Yes. So, last November 11th, we have the Double 11 sale, or what they call the Singles Day, or for me, it's a shopping day. So, what I did, I ordered some body parts from Shopee. Yes. So, if you like to shop online, especially at Shopee and Lazada, you might find some really cool Chinese stores, international stores that sell body parts. Yes. Now, I got this body part on the body itself, so it's very much articulated. Yes. And this body part cost more like 17 pesos. Yes, so it's really cheap. Now, when you order the body, you don't actually get a head. So I have to order the head individually. So I have here the head. Yes. Now the head they have at the store is what we call the Millie head. Yes, that one. Yes, she's a Barbie. Yes, and she's actually pretty. So this doll head is more expensive than the body. I got her for I think 25 pesos. Yes. So the head is more expensive. Now there's the usual yellowish hair. Okay, the usual blonde hair of Millie. Yes, so I got two. This one, the other one. So as you can see, I restyled her hair so that they won't look similar. Yes, and I have to put it on the plastic so that it would stay. And she actually looks pretty. Yeah, so you can see here the two heads of Barbie, of Millie, which I ordered. Now, because I have the bodies, I need the head. Then here, we're going to build a doll. Now, the doll body is very different, so I covered the doll so that the doll would look presentable. But anyway, you see it's articulated. Yes, even on the hands it's articulated. Actually, what I like about this is that you can remove the hand. Yes, and then articulated knee, but the foot isn't articulated, so this is not a made to move body. Nonetheless, the articulation is passable if you just want to build a doll. Now, why I'm saying this is because it's almost Christmas. Yes, and sometimes we need to be money smart in buying the gifts we would like to give to our friends who like dolls. Yes, and little kids. Yes, considering that toys are becoming more and more expensive. I don't really know why. Nonetheless, let's build a doll. So we're just going to attach the head to the body. Yeah, like that. Okay, so let's do it. So we have attached the body to the head. What do you think? Yes, right? Yes, there's not much of a discoloration of the body. And the head, actually, it is passable. Yes. So, I think that's good. Yes. Okay. So, there. So, we have our economy Barbie. Economy doll. Yes. Now, obviously, this is for playline. But if you are one of those who likes to customize dolls, I think you should buy this first. And if you're an expert, you can customize the real Barbie dolls, right? So, there are so many reasons to enjoy this doll. Now, because these dolls are nude, I am going to sew them clothes. Yes. Now, for those who know me, I like to sew clothes for my dolls. Yes. And I was planning to match their clothes with the shoes I have for them. So here are the shoes I've got. I've got the yellow boots and the black shoes. I think I got this from the Coca-Cola Barbie or the Racing Barbie. I'm not really sure. So nonetheless, I will base the clothes I'm going to sew for them from their shoes. Yeah, so I'm that kind of person. So shoes first and then the attire. Yes, because it's very difficult to match the attire if the shoes doesn't really, go along with it. So anyway, let's put the shoes to our Build-A-Doll. So for my pigtail Build-A-Doll, I gave her the yellow boots. Now, yellow and pigtails, it reminds me of the anime Candy Candy. Yes. And the book Anne Gables. Yes, sort of a provincial country style smart girl. So what I did, I got some of my old cloth and sew this for her. So it's like a provincial gown and it will match because she's got yellow boots. So okay, we have the yellow cloth I had before, and then this one, the tulle, and then this is coming from the old dress that I cut. Now because it's country and then there are roses, yes, it will look fine there. So let's find out if she will look like the Green Gable girl. Yes, so let's go. So here she is. Wow, she's looking really very pretty. Okay, so wow, look at her. So mind the ribbon, I will just change that later on. Nonetheless, look at her. She is looking so pretty. Yes, so she's like the hi, I'm a Green Gable Barbie. Yes, and I think she lives up to that style, right? So at least if we're going to give her to a little girl, the little girl will like her new doll. That's what's important, right? So let's continue and let's find out what the other Build-A-Doll would look like. So let's go there. Bye. This other Build-A-Doll had this pair of shoes. Now I'm thinking of sporty but casual attire, but a little fashionista. Yes. So we're going to make her a little fancier. Yes. So I already sewed these pants. Actually, I'm not sure if these are pants or trousers. But anyway, I already sewed this earlier. So I just had to put the yes, to put the velcro, and then there the design has actually the pants on the sides. Yes, and then I just put this golden band here to look like a golden belt. Yes, so she's going to have this very nice cream top. Woohoo! Looking good with the cream top. Yes, and then wow, what is this? I made her a tiger, a tiger coat with black feathers because I don't have the fur, so I think the feathers would do. Let's find out how she would look like. Okay, so Miss Fashionista, yes, let us change you now. Let's put on the clothes. So here she is. Wow, she's looking very pretty. Yes, yes, fashionista. So it seems she's going to be a very lucky doll for the year of the water tiger next 2022. See, she's got the earthly color with the gold and the white and the tiger. Wow. See, she's like fashionista. Yeah. How do you... What is that? I forgot the lyrics. So anyway, she is getting very beautiful. Now, I don't have extra earrings and what you call this, necklaces. So I'm just going to look for them if I have. Yes, or if not, so they will look like this as I give them to those little girls. Yes, yeah, looking good. So here are the build a doll that I made. So we have the fashionista that we had earlier with those shoes, and then this one I built this, okay, with a princess motif. Yes, so I was able to find the crown and the necklace, and then I made her a princess because of her silvery hair. So she's another kind of head from the online store that I bought them. So yeah, so I sew the gown, yes, along with the fur, yes. So, and the other one, we have our Anne Gable Barbie doll. Yes, there, looking good. So, what can you say? Well, we can build a doll. Yes. So, for those who are cost cutting and you just want to give a new doll for your little ones, yes, or in the Philippines we call them inaanak. So because you're a godmother or godfather, and you know kids need to play, yeah, so give them a build a doll, yes, for Christmas. Yes, it's either they build it, you just give them the head, the body parts, and the clothes and shoes, or you build it for them. Yes, so remember, for the spirit of Christmas, it's the thought that counts. Yes, so here we have our build a doll. So once again, thank you, fellow adventurers. Kita-kits na lang. See you.